And the county sprayer came through here a couple of nights ago. And well, I'm just on my normal walk. Something I've noticed is there are no longer grasshoppers. Normally walking through here, grasshoppers are everywhere. There are a few moths. And I see a dragonfly or two, but normally there's hundreds of dragonflies through here. I mean, hundreds of them. There's one songbird. There's usually a lot of those. I usually see a lot of wildlife when I walk through here. Rosy spoonbills, various egrets, rabbits, raccoons, squirrel, sometimes quail, turkey. I've seen coyote. Strangely enough, other than that lone songbird, I've seen nothing other than a handful of moths and like 3 dragonflies. There's none of the insects that normally jump out of the grass in front of me happening, which is kind of disturbing. There's a covey of quail that I normally see that I do believe pretty much stick to this one section. I haven't seen them since the sprayer went through. Well, the water level is way down, and I'm not really sure. I mean, it's a little bit drier this year, but not so much as to explain the water level being so far down. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. It's possible that maybe further downstream they opened up one of the flood prevention things and let the water out of here. I'm not really sure. But, I mean, these overgrown areas like this are normally full of wildlife. You'd see wrens, finches, blue jays, all kinds of bird life. There's nothing. It's really weird. I'm not sure if it is directly related to the sprayer going through here, but I can say a week ago when I walked through here, I saw grasshoppers and other hopping bugs hopping out of my way in the grass. I heard a lot more bugs. There were a lot more flying insects. Right now there's almost nothing. And there's a few moths. I've seen a couple butterflies. Just overall, it's creepy. But normally near this water source, or one of the things I enjoy is coming back here along this and seeing all the coastal. Oh, look, there's a couple birds. What do we got? We got, oh, I do believe those were doves of some kind. I didn't see them well enough to tell you what type. But the coastal dragonflies, they tend to be multicolored, so it's nice to come back here and see the hundreds of them that are normally here. They're just simply not here. I mean, a few flying insects, but nothing like it normally is. It's very eerie. Normally, just looking down at the grass, you'll see Lots of things just jumping. Trying not to get stepped on. Ain't seeing nothing. So there's 2 more dove that went by. So there are still some dove hanging out back here. But doves don't eat insects. They eat seed. Very abnormal.